Hello, this video will show you how you can create quizzes using Google Forms. Remember, to get to Google Forms, use the app launcher right here from Google, and we're looking for the purple one, Forms. Once inside, we actually don't want to click the plus sign. That would create a new survey, and we're doing a quiz. So we want to be careful to click on blank quiz to start yourself off. It'll take a second to open up, and once inside, you can create a new name for your quiz. I'm just going to leave mine as quiz because I'm going to show you a few different types of questions. But you can name yours to go along with what you're asking. If you're asking soccer questions, name it a soccer quiz. To start a question, you can click in here, and it looks just like it did when we were doing our survey questions. We do want to make sure all of our questions are required questions, so make sure you click on that. The difference here is that we are writing questions that have right or wrong answers, and we're going to set our answer key to go along with this. So I'm going to pretend I'm asking maybe a geography quiz. So I might ask, what is the capital of Wisconsin? And now I need to give my options down here. All right, so I'm going to give them the option of Milwaukee. It's a big city, could have been the capital, but it's not. I want to make sure I have the correct answer, which is Madison. I'm going to put in Belmont, because that was our first state capital, if you didn't know that. And then I want to put one in there that's probably not true, and I don't really expect people to guess, but it's a choice all the same. All right, so I've got 4 choices here, and now I need to create an answer key. So I do that, click on answer key. It asks for how many points. We're just going to give 1 point per question here. And then we need to mark what is the correct answer. So you can click on Madison. Make sure you do, be careful that you are actually marking the correct answer, and then click Done. All right, to start a new question, I can click the plus sign again, and I can ask my next question. I do want to show you a checkboxes question. Maybe I want to ask, name 3 cities in California. So now I'm going to switch this to checkboxes, and I'm going to give some choices. So let's see, Los Angeles is in California, so is San Francisco. There we are. And let's see, I'm going to put one that's not there. I'll put in Las Vegas. It's actually in Nevada. And let's see, another one that's in California. I'll put in Monterey. I think that's how it's spelled. Oh. There we go. So I've got some choices there. I'm going to go ahead and put in my answer key. Now I'm asking for 3 of the correct answer, 3 cities. So they have to choose all 3 to get this correct. So I'm going to put in Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Monterey are my correct answers. I don't want to forget my points, just 1 point per question. And I don't want to show you this. You can put in answer feedback. So for example, if I click on here, if somebody gets the incorrect answer, so if they chose Las Vegas, then they would get this information. Las Vegas is in Nevada. So now they would get that little information if they got it wrong. And I can go on to my next question. One thing I want to show you is that you can ask short answer questions, but I don't really like to. And the reason is people might spell something wrong. If I go in here, I can say, maybe I'm doing a math question. I could do something very simple. 2 plus 2, there we go, 2 plus 2 equals, and then I could give them the choices, right? And we all know that the answer is 4, but what if I had this as a short answer question? Well, if I do my answer key, I can make sure that they could get the answer 4, and if they type in the number 4, they get it right. But then I have to also think, what if they wrote out the number, F-O-U-R? What if they capitalized F-O-U-R? Now, all 3 of these answers would be correct. So maybe it can work, but I try to stay away from short answer questions because spelling or anything else might trip somebody up, and that's not really fair. Hopefully this helps. Make nice questions. Feel free to make lots of multiple choice questions. They work great. Take your time. Make sure you're asking questions that are fair to people, that you know the answers to, and that you are putting in a correct answer key. Can't wait to take your quizzes. Have a great day, everyone.